Stay in, hot dog.
Oh, lady. Hey, do you want this hot dog? I've got a fresh hot dog. It's just for you because you beat me in a race. Welcome back. Funny enough, I'm not driving that today. Today we're going to Costco and we're going to buy some hot dogs. I think I might try to buy an extra because they're so cheap. I think I might just like see if someone will just take one. Just to prove a point. So if you're living under a rock, which I'm sure some of you are, whoops, that was second gear. And so you probably haven't seen that we have aliens now.
Declassified U.S. government documents.
We're not saying what they are. What they're not.
Confirmed beyond any doubt.
There's something our pilots are seeing. We're saying it's
now the White House is actually
the reality of ongoing UFO incursions.
We finally have proof. I don't know if we've seen the actual aliens. Maybe they're not aliens. You know, that's neither here nor there. We've got stuff going on, dude.
There's a whole fleet of them. Look on the ASA. They're all going against the wind.
You know, I want to figure out if I could truly outsmart these aliens. Bob Lazar is an infamous hero, I would say.
And I had access and was permitted to view and look at the operation of this main level with the gravity amplifiers.
He is the one who outed Area 51 as existing, and he actually kind of forced the government into just saying like, oh yeah, Area 51 is real. He used to work there, and when he worked there, he was working on the propulsion systems, and so he was doing all this stuff with like gravity and all this crazy stuff. Basically, these alien crafts that they have control over gravity. Now, if you don't really understand how that works, neither do I. That's okay, we'll just pretend like we do. Gravity is manipulated by these crafts.
The resulting gravity beam or anti-gravity wave can be pretty much put anywhere you want to.
And these things are supposed to be like crazy super intelligent beings that came here from the Zeta Reticuli star system. That means almost nothing to me, as I'm sure it means nothing to you. However, what I think might mean something to us is that they are able to take over our nukes.
Ongoing UFO incursions at nuclear weapons sites.
So not only do these things have the ability to fly from far away, but they also have the ability to at least flex on us a little bit. They're way faster than all our jets too.
As we pulled nose onto the object, within about a half mile of it, it rapidly accelerated in front of us and disappeared.
If I were to try to outsmart these guys, the first thing in my mind is that I'm gonna try to run away. Obviously, that's my whole thing. I mean, like, if you have a bike, you understand the idea of like, oh, I'm gonna run away, and that might be a terrible idea. I think that like the best thing that my mind could think of is like running off and just kind of like setting up camp in the woods. Now we know from like all the alien movies and all the alien accounts and everything that these things go out into the middle of nowhere. That's where they abduct people from. I think you wouldn't want to run. You would want to stay. Aliens don't ever show up in the cities, and so those might actually be a safe place to go. Oh, dude, yeah, okay, so this is Costco right here. Welcome to Costco. Park right here, dude. A lot of people ask me why I park like this, and it's because when cars pull by and they see an open spot, when your bike's up there, it's disheartening. It's just for the other people, dude. It's not for any other reason. Yo, let's you gravy. Thank you. We got our hot dog. Oh shit, I forgot to buy another one, dude. That's tough. I hope it stays. Dude, it's not gonna stay in there. My hot dog's gonna fall out. Stay in, hot dog. Yo, dude, what if I just went up to some random person and handed it to them and it's just a hot dog? Oh, dude. The CIA has released all of their information. Hey. Oh, dude, I should have given him my hot dog. They've released all of their information. They say, obviously, it's oh my gosh, it's so obvious that it's not all their information. But they have released information pertaining to UFOs. They're basically like, yeah, we're screwed because we don't know what this stuff is. We have no control over it. We don't know where it comes from. and we're just as blind as you are.
Is it a real legitimate issue as you see it?
Yeah. And so, dude, my biggest issue with that is that for the longest time, like, we all knew that aliens were real, right? We all knew that they were real, and then we're like, oh, they might be here, they might not be. But either way, the government obviously has to know, right? And if they know, then they've got it under control. Oh, lady. I couldn't tell if that was a cop or not because my glass got fogged up, and so that's why I stopped. I would have dusted you, dude. I would have smoked that freaking Cadillac. That's annoying. That's neither here nor there, because we've got freaking aliens, dude. So there's one of two things that's true. Either A, it's real, which is insane, and then B, the government has this technology and they're just telling everyone it's aliens. That I think is the more likely scenario. If our government has developed this crazy technology, they've had it for a long time, because Bob Lazar completely predicted all of it. Back in the 70s, he spoke about pretty much everything that's been going on. He was talking about what's going on at Area 51. And so if they had it back then, what do they have now? Holy shit, dude, I didn't even realize that. That's insane. I'm sorry, dude. My friend just texted me, and I gotta go home because he's coming over tonight. I gotta be there when he gets there, or else he's gonna be mad. So sorry, David, if you're watching this video, because he watches all my videos. He's the only one of my friends that watches all my videos. This content is probably gonna be cut short unless I can find someone just on the street to give this dog to. I can't believe that thing has stayed there that whole time, though. It's gonna be someone's dinner, though, dude. Hey, do you want this hot dog? Do you want it? I've got a fresh hot dog. It's just for you because you beat me in a race. Yeah, it's all yours. Yeah, have a good dinner. That's the lady that whooped my ass. Oh, lady. That lady beat me in a race, dude. Oh my gosh. I can't believe they took it, too. Just took food from a stranger? That's insane. I would not have done that. I doubt that they eat it. If you guys have had any alien encounters or any sort of crazy conspiracies, drop it in the comments, and subscribe for more. I'm back to posting regularly again, so sorry for that. There's a reason for it, and it's because I was sleep deprived, and now I'm not. I get good sleep now. I have a good bedtime. Circadian rhythm, baby. Thank you guys so much for watching. Did you guys think I would leave without doing a crazy pull? What gear are we in? 2? Perfect. 40. Okay, goodbye.